Okay, so I'm having a problem showing off the jewelry that I've been making in just plain old photographs. So I thought that I would use a video to try to show them off. And I'll try to make this short. I'll just show off 4 pieces. So the first one I want to show off is K2. This is from the mountain called K2, which is, this is mined from Pakistan. And this particular piece is wrapped in silver, square and half round silver. This is the front, obviously, and this is the back. Very plain. I like to keep things simple. I've already got my tag on it. That's what that brown thing is. So this is K2. It's got a little swirl at the bottom and a nice swirl at the top. I think that this is one of my better pieces. If I had to rate 1 to 5, this would be a 5. I'm really proud of this piece. So that's K2. This one here is Nevada Dendritic Sage Agate. So it's an agate, and it's got these black marks on it, in it, which are dendrites, which is relatively common in some types of stone. And it's neat because it's got the tan at the bottom and the white at the top. What I did here is it's another simple wrap, and I've got these little swirls near the top. I don't know if you can see that. And on the back, it looks like this. The back is nicely polished. You can see that on this one. They're not all polished so well on the back. This one here is Fluorite. I did this one yesterday. Very, very shiny on the front. It's a really, really skinny stone. You can see that here. And this is the back. So it's really simple wrap with some loops up around the top. I've been wrapping my bales lately, and I really like the way that looks. So I'll probably be doing most of my pieces that way. And this one here is moss agate, and what I like about this, I'm not sure if you could see it, but it's translucent. You can see my finger behind it. That means that if you hold it up to the light, you can kind of see through it. And moss agate is a type of agate. It's got inclusions in it. They are not moss. They just look like moss. And this particular one has a lot of green, and it's really pretty. I have a simpler bale on this, just the 2 wires. Again, sterling silver. All of these are sterling silver, and this is the back. I try to keep them very, very simple. My goal is to show off the stone, not the wire wraps, so I keep the wire wraps really simple. I just want to go back to this K2 again. You'll see that it's got some blue dots on it, and if you look really closely, you'll see some green dots. These are all natural to the stone. This is called K2 granite. Some people think it's a jasper, but it's really not. It's a granite. So it's a granite rock, and it's got azurite in it. That gives you the blue dots, and the green dots may be malachite. This is a really, really pretty piece, and it's kind of small. So anyway, this is 4 examples of some of the wire wrapping I'm doing, and I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks very much. Bye.